Hello everyone, I'm Amit from mailsmartly.com. Today in this video, I will walk you through how to insert new year emoji in Microsoft Outlook email. Although there is no specific new year emoji in emoji world, but there are few related emojis which we generally use in majority of cases. In this video, I will talk about few emojis which I have shortlisted for you, which are generally used during emails. Those are confetti ball, party popper, clicking beer mug, fireworks, and parting face. So let's get started and understand how you can very easily insert those emojis in your Outlook email using keyboard shortcuts. So first of all, I will open my new email. I can also use Control N to open the new email. Now put your cursor where you need to insert your emoji. The first option is, which is very common and very easy, that is hotkeys. The hotkeys are window period, or you can also use window semicolon. These both keywords will take you to the emoji picker dialog box. Here in the search section, you simply need to type the name of your emoji. So I type the first one, which is confetti. So see, when I type confetti, I will get the emoji of that confetti ball. Simply click on it and your emoji is inserted in your message body. Similarly, you can type another one like clinking beer. So here is the clinking beer. Again, you can click on it, your emoji is inserted. I will take another one, which is parting face, or you can also use party face. As soon as I type party, that party face appears. So parting face, click on it, and that is also inserted in my message body. These are few options which can be used if you are typing an email and want to express your wishes to your recipient for New Year. So this is the first method. And the second method is Unicodes. Unicodes are also designed to insert a specific emoji into your message body. So for the first one, confetti ball, I need to first type my Unicode, which is 1F38A. Now I have to click Alt+X. You have to remember there are a couple of Alt keys in your keyboard, one on the left side of your spacebar and second on the right of your spacebar. But here you have to use the left Alt key, which is available on the left side of your spacebar, with the combination of Alt and X. As soon as you click after typing the Unicode, that code will be converted into your required emoji. Now the next one is party popper. For that you have to type 1F389, again Alt+X. That's it. Third one is clinking beer mug. I have to type 1F37B, Alt+X. That's it. Now the next one is fireworks, which is also generally used in New Year. So I type 1F386, Alt+X. Boom. Now the last one of my list is parting face, which is 1F973, Alt+X. These are few emojis which are very easily inserted using the first one, which is hotkeys, and the second one is Unicode. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day. And very happy New Year to all my viewers. Thank you.